Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we will be showing you guys how to extract compressed file on PC. As you can see right now over here on our screen, I have a sample zip file over here, or a compressed zip folder. There are two ways, or actually three ways, to be able to extract this. First things first, either you select it and then you will be able to see the option extract all over here at the top. You could also right click it and you will be able to see also the same option, which is extract all, as you can see here. Or what you could do is that you could open this and then you could select the items that you want. You could copy it and paste it outside the zip file, and you will also be able to extract it that way. There are multiple ways depending on the software you're using to access zip file, whether it's zip or WinRAR. It all depends on you. Therefore, you will be able to extract it very easily as of now. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.